It's Gatorade. It is so wonderful. Welcome back from our commercial break. Of course, I'm your host, Kruddy, and it's now time to head over to Firm Fitness Club. This week, me and Jeremy and the whole crew are teaching some chest press, something else. Now, we got the whole Gatorade crew, Firm Fitness Club. Check out this. Jeremy, take over the show.
This segment is sponsored by Gatorade, Win From Within.
So we're here, week number 3, keeping fit. Pree Dis always happen, always. So we're back at Firm Fitness Club, working chest today, alright? Do not leave the Gatorade. Let me tell you again, one more time, don't leave it. Let's go, chest.
Alright, my name is Ricardo, Firm Fitness Center trainer. Today we'll be doing chest. We'll start with a little incline. But before we start this exercise, I always keep hydrated, right? And Gatorade is a choice.
I told you.
To ensure a proper warm out, you breathe in on the negative, which is down. You exhale on the positive, right? Keep oxygen in the lungs. That looks good. Give me 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. All right, to ensure safety with this exercise, make sure your back is well stable. So you should be leaning back, chest high. Throw the weights up. All right, and we're gonna begin. Beautiful. All right, keep them focused, keep them straight, keep them straight. All right, inhale down, exhale up. Up. Exhale, right? 2, 3, 4, that's all you. 5, 6, beautiful, come on. 7, 8, plus 2, 9, all right, last one, feel it. Up. Good. And that's how we do it at Firm Fitness. Product, which is one of the leading products on the market for hydration, Gatorade. Beautiful. All right. This machine is your pectoral flying machine, right? In order to get a good pump, this is a relevant machine for the practice. All right, so we're going to do a set of 10. Inhale and exhale, right? 3, 2, 1. 2, beautiful. 3, 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, come on. 9, last one. 10, and I want you to hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Exhale. Good.
As you can see, I'm here at the Reggae Jamming booth here in the Jerk Festival, Portland. No good. Again, wonderful family event, as I've been saying all day. But you remember Cameika, of course, the same Cameika, the Mixer Twister. She had the baddest thing round town. Of course, Cameika will be mixing up some more craziness for us today. And this one is called the Wakefield Twister. Cameika, take it over, please. Do it for me now. Pree Dis.
Welcome again, I'm Cameika. Today we'll do another session of mixes that you guys will love from Wakefield Juices. I'll be making the Wakefield Twister. First of all, definitely your Wakefield Juices is a must. We're gonna use Wakefield Juices, peach snap liqueur, strawberry extract, corn syrup, fruit punch. Then again, the same ingredients but dip with the pineapple juice. So we're gonna shake.
Now food. What is a Portland Jerk Festival without food? It is nothing. And as we talk about food, right now, I'm going to tell you that Mother's on the loose again. Mother's gone crazy again. Mother's have a new promotion. I want to know. I hear 7 minutes or your breakfast is free. What is this promotion about? Watch this feature to find out. Check it out. Mother's gone mad again. Check it out.
Currently, if your breakfast takes more than 7 minutes in any of our 11 Mother's breakfast locations island-wide, you get the breakfast free. So that is currently happening. So people can look forward to that. Eat a very hearty, wholesome breakfast from Mother's in the morning. If it takes over 7 minutes, it's free. Plus, you get a free cup of tea. So they can look forward to that promotion currently underway. And who knows what we'll come up with next.
All right, so as I said before, we're here in Portland. I'm going to just find Nikki. And Nikki, I drink white overproof rum from Rum Bar. Nikki, what's up?
Nothing much, just enjoying the festival.
All right, you getting the food for eat it?
Yeah, man, we eat already and drink, and we just going to deal with this later.
All right, see, we're going to just go on par with Nikki. Guess what? We're going for the final commercial break. When we get back, we'll still have the top 10 chart and a lot more. Keep it locked. You're watching Pree Dis.